snacks blindly.
Okay? 6. Disgusting. Terrible snack. LT, what are you talking about? Goldfish are disgusting. I'm literally eating some goldfish right now. Well, guess what, Sonny's Cupid? This is your last day in the stream. What, 4? Wait a minute. Wait, can we count these as flaming hot, or do they have to count as the base? We gotta count them as base Funyuns? I gotta put them in 5 then. What slot is left? Oh, man. That's worse than goldfish. But unfortunately, I'm forced to put them in 2. I'm forced to. What on this planet Earth is that, and why do they look good? What is this? And yo, somebody send me some of these.